To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Types of sentences. There are different types of sentences in English. Each type of sentence serves a different purpose and has different punctuation. The different types of sentences are declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives a command or request. It can be used to give orders, directions, or to make requests. An imperative sentence usually ends with a full stop, but it can end with an exclamation mark if it's urgent. For example, please close the door. Another example is, be quiet.